So today's topic in teachers is how to represent subtraction of negative number on a number line. So before proceeding to this, we should always remember this rule that a minus b will always be equal to a plus of minus b. So as you can see, this is a number line where you can do the addition and subtraction in a way of moving the numbers from left to right or right to left. But there is a little slight confusion among students that subtraction, while doing subtraction, they just move from a number to the left side. So subtraction is not moving towards left. It means adding a positive number means move towards right, and subtracting a negative number means move towards left. Actually, this is a subtraction, it's not addition. So then how to calculate this value of minus 5 minus of minus 4 on a number line? For this, you should always remember that a minus b is equal to a plus of minus b. A plus of minus b. So in this example, we can see that here the value of a is minus 5 and b is minus 4. So substituting the value of a and b in this equation, a minus b is equal to a plus of minus b. So here your a becomes minus 5 and b becomes minus 4. Now what is negative of negative 4? What is negative of negative 4? As you can see, negative means the opposite of any number. Suppose the negative of 4 is minus 4. So what would be the negative of minus 4? The negative of minus 4 is opposite of minus 4, which is plus 4. And in this way, using the rule of sign, we can see that minus 5 plus 4, and the answer would be minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1. So in that case, some of the students, they would directly write the value of b without replacing the sign, without including the sign of minus 4. They would simply write minus 5 plus of minus 4 instead of minus of minus 4. Instead of minus of minus 4, they would simply write minus 5 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 4. Then your calculation would go in a different path. A completely different expression would come out, and you would see that in that case minus 4 plus of minus 5 plus of minus 4 would result into an answer of minus 9. So in a quick check, you can see that minus 1 plus of minus 4 will be equal to minus 5, and we can check that since adding minus 1 to minus 4, will always get a result of minus 5. So it confirms that minus 5 of minus 4 would give you answer of minus 1. So how would you represent it in the number line? There is a rule which says that negative, whenever you are doing a negative of negative number, you just have to move to the right side. So whenever you're doing a negative of negative number, we are starting with from minus 5, we'll go 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus of minus, and minus of minus 4. So in that case, your answer would be minus 1. So in that case, this is the expression, and this is how you would represent it on the number line while moving in a right direction of subtracting a negative of negative number on number line.